Okay guys, so today is Sunday and this is my happy feet. My happy feet, okay? Every Sunday my feet is happy because I'm ready to go anywhere. I will go hiking. So before we go anywhere, we have to check our octopus card first if we have money to last us to where we're going. Okay? And right here is the MTR reloading machine, okay, wherein you have to reload your octopus with money so that you have money to pay for your train. Okay? So right here, we will see. Okay? So my octopus is right here inside my wallet. I just tap it like this. Okay, so I still have money. Let's go. Okay, so this is the entrance to the MTR. And again, with my octopus in my wallet, I'm just gonna tap it like this. Okay, see, it opens and now I'm going in to my train that would take me to where I'm going. Here is my train stop. Hello. Alright guys, so today we are here at the Shing Mun Country Park. Okay? May police. Okay, so magha-hiking tayo ngayon. And I am here in Shing Mun Country Park. This is my beginning steps in touring this whole place. Alright? I want to remove my my beads, my mask, but then the police is just in front of me. I don't want to be, charged, with fine of not wearing mask. So you have to bear with me. Hello. You have to bear with me talking in this vlog today with my mask on. Okay? So there are several routes in touring this area. We can go left, we can go right, and I want to start this trail here. This trail here would lead us into what they call the Pineapple Dam Trail. Okay, so we will look through this trail into several parts of this hiking area. All right, and as you can see right now, it is pretty busy because this is the starting point. This is where you can find the buses, the mini buses, the taxis that would take you here from wherever you came from. Okay, so let's start now. Let's go. Okay, so this is our first stairway into the Shing Mun Reservoir. So like I said, there are three choices, three trails in this area. You can go left, going up to your right, or on this way behind me. Okay, and I want to follow this trail here that would lead us into the Pineapple Dam Trail. Okay, let's start. Oh, so much people today. So I'm going up now, and yeah, take a look behind me. This is where I came from. This is my starting point. So you can see the hush down there, and because there are so many people coming here every day, and because this is a perfect hiking trail for families, if you have children or old people, yeah, that's why here you can see there are police patrolling, and there is emergency ambulance over there also. So if anything happens to these hikers, if they're ever like pass out while they were hiking, these police, these ambulance are on the rescue all the time. Okay. Okay. So I'm going up now. Going up. Going up. Going up. Okay. Okay. So we continue. Right here is the map. You can choose wherever you want to go. And these are the places that you can go. These are the places that you can explore. Alright? So you will never get lost in this park here. Okay? Now, proceed. Some people, they're having their like instruction on where to go, right? So we keep going. Keep going. Okay, so we are walking this trail called the Pineapple Dam Trail. This is a long time ago called the Pineapple Dam Trail because there are so many pineapples here before, but now we cannot find any. And yeah, up there on this part is the butterfly area. So later we'll check it out also. So a few butterflies we can see here. Okay, and down below is the water already. Okay, and here some hikers going back. It's a long way. Exits here and people are doing some fishing across this bridge, and this here already is a part of this big dam. Okay, so this here is the butterfly paradise, and you should go up here in this trail, but later we will check. Okay. Alright guys, so from where I am standing right now, this is the view that you're supposed to see. And yeah, I can see it right now. Okay? On a foggy day, it looks like this. And like I said, I am following the Pineapple Dam Nature Trail. Okay? So here are some stories about this place right here. And later I will tell you more. Okay? We will continue. So you can see it is also perfect for the kids. This can be a very perfect area for family hiking. Alright? So we got to enjoy it all.
Yesterday, did you see your friend?
Okay. Let's go. Bakit ba kasi ako sa kanila nakasunod? Hindi tuloy ako. Hindi ako makauna. Because the trail is only for 2 people. So we cannot allocate. Yeah. I just see a butterfly. And can we continue? There's a long way to go. Just enjoy the view. Okay, so there are also resting area. If you become so tired in walking, there are seats along the way on the sides. Okay. And this place actually is surrounded with many picnic sites. You just choose, okay? And later I will bring you to my favorite picnic site. So this is actually not my first time. This is my 3rd time in this place, and I still love to come here. So this is going to be an incredible climb. Right guys, and the people behind me are struggling to climb. Okay, so this is the beauty of when you're a regular hiker, then it's not difficult to climb. But if this is your first time, my god, for a nature lover like me, we keep on coming. We do keep on coming because it's winter time already and I cannot go on swimming, So I exchange my swimming activity into hiking activity. Alright? And you're going to enjoy every place I go for hiking, since Hong Kong is surrounded with so many beautiful hiking trails. So while I'm still here, I have to enjoy it, right? Okay, we keep going. Okay, so in this area, people just stop and take pictures. Photographers are everywhere. Okay, taking the best shot because yeah, when we talk about nature, this place is really full of it. Full of it. Okay, you see? Okay, we go. You see, because of this trail going up, and so mask is out of the question. Okay, so this is the view. This is the view below from where I stand. Okay, so why I love this hiking trail over here, because of the last green of nature. Oh my god, there is an ambulance, maybe somebody made an accident. Okay, so like I said, it's not really that scary in coming here, right? I've shown you earlier, there are police at the entrance, and this ambulance will work whole day. Okay, so when there is an accident in this area, it's easy to call for help. Okay, all you have to do is call and they will come to the rescue. So, can you see? It's green, left and right. And what can I say? It's super beautiful around here. I super love this park. But wait, till you see my favorite spot. Okay. Okay guys, so we are going down the Waterside People Park here. This park here is my favorite part of this hiking trail because I love the Banyan Chinese. So I'm gonna show it to you, okay? So let's go down. Okay, let's go down. So here is a little bit traffic, okay? People coming and going, and why not? Because this area of this hiking trail is really beautiful, wherein we can see a big space of water box, okay? Now let's go. Oh, really so much people, but the water is high, so let's just check out. People take pictures everywhere. Wow. And well, what can I say? I've been here 3 years ago, and I was sitting on the spot right here. But because the water is high, so we cannot see the stone where I sit at 3 years ago, okay? The water is really clear. Oh my god, it's a beautiful sight. What can I say? It's really gorgeous. Everywhere, every part of this place is really gorgeous. Okay? Oh my god. I wanted to take a swim, but nobody's swimming right now. The water is so clear. Okay guys, so 3 years ago, I was sitting in this very spot here, okay? But right now we cannot find the stone where I sit at 3 years ago because the water is so high, like I said. Okay, so what can I say? Just that stone over there, okay? Now it's flooded with water. We cannot see it, I'm sorry. But then, I've shared you the view and it's really, really gorgeous. And I know you will agree with me on that, right? we will go into another part of this hiking trail. Okay? Oh, look at her. She is enjoying very much. You see? So look. Everybody's enjoying out here. Taking pictures of this beautiful view here. Okay? Wow. Look at their faces. This is a very good experience for the kids, you know. Okay, we go back. Let's go. Okay, so we keep going. I just bring you into my favorite spot over there. You were able to see the Chinese Banyans, right? And so I am really, really super amazed to this place. It's really beautiful. Yeah? And now we're going to look to the other side. Okay? Okay! We keep going. Yeah! I really feel so hot right now. And I'm a little bit thirsty too. So we will find a place wherein we can sit in and we can take a snack. All right? There are spots in this hiking trail where we're supposed to cross, you know, the river, but then we cannot because the water today is high. Everybody going down there, and you know, because down there you can see more monkeys, but then it is dangerous too because it is near the water. When the monkey chase you, you will easily drop into the water, and you will end up wet when you come back. Right? So we keep going. All right, guys. So right here is big picnic site wherein people can stop and eat lunch. Okay, so we are already on the middle of this hiking trail, and what can I say, this place, it is provided with a big toilet so that whoever stop here can use this toilet to pee or for change the clothes. Okay, so it's good, everything is good here. Oh, this is a long queue to pee. Okay. So, yeah, we will take a rest here and eat our lunch. Okay, I'll find a place to sit on.